of America has been doing the flower show now for 22 years. And the reason we do it is because we like to contribute back to our local communities. And the flower show is a great example of that, because all of the proceeds, or many of the proceeds that are raised because of the flower show, go back into beautification programs that the Pennsylvania Horticultural Society uses to beautify the city and to beautify our local areas. This is going to be a great experience for people that are attending the flower show this year, because not only do we have our world famous potting parties, we also have Fido Friday. We have a speaker series that they're going to be talking about all kinds of things, for example, like sustainable gardening, therapeutic gardening. They're going to talk about how gardens help with bird migration and why that's important. They're going to have, my favorite one is how you can bond with your pet. So we've got world-class speakers that are coming in to talk about all these various subjects, as well as neurodiversity. So I really encourage people to come down, come to the Subaru exhibit, spend time not only at our exhibit, but also learn about some of the things that we're doing through the speaker series. It's going to be great. It's the first year we've ever done it, and so we're really excited about it.
I've been working with Subaru for literally about 15 years. And one of the reasons I was so excited in that first year is just because I'd been following them for so long, a fan of the company and what they stand for. And Subaru obviously provides a lot of funds to help facilitate that in happening. And then all the proceeds that come into this show, the world's largest indoor flower show, go back out to the Pennsylvania Horticultural Society to promote greening up the city, and the state for that matter. And I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, so I'm very proud to be a part of that.
My brand partnership with Subaru and PHS goes beyond what we're doing. It's a larger picture. It's bringing people in, it's cultivating, and it's cultivating not only friendships but relationships all across the world, doing what we all love, which is really beautifying our environment and learning how to do it and coexist together. So it's really important that it resonates beyond even this flower show.
Subaru and the National Wildlife Federation have been partners for years, and it's such a match made in heaven. The values of the company and the nonprofit are just so perfectly meshed. We both care about making sure that the planet is healthy for both people and wildlife, and that's really the mission of the National Wildlife Federation. And so to get to team up with Subaru and come to the Philadelphia Flower Show and have a platform that I wouldn't otherwise have to reach all of these wonderful people that are coming here is actually pretty phenomenal.
You have to have a partner that shares the passion, that shares the vision that you share, and that we have at the Jefferson Center for Autism and Neurodiversity. Subaru has been that partner. And what I love about Subaru, they're a loyal partner, and they don't see disability. They just see us, they see our people for what they are, and that is somebody that's vested in the world around them, somebody that's vested in the communities around them, and somebody that wants to be inclusive and to belong.
The field of horticultural therapy has been around for around 50 years. There has not been great improvement in the medical community's knowledge of horticultural therapy, the larger horticultural community around understanding of horticultural therapy. So Subaru offering a platform to talk about it will hopefully be a great way and is a great starting point to get more people aware of what's out there.
Basically, we're understanding that the mind and the body interact with nature in really unique and interesting ways. And being supported by a company that appreciates that is excellent.
I come from the Lab of Ornithology, and we do work with sponsors like Subaru, and we do intentionally try to partner with sponsors that have a thread of conservation in their messaging and their outreach. So it's fun. It's fun to be able to reach a broader audience, and I know a lot of the people that are drawn to Subaru are drawn because of the vehicles, but they also probably walk away feeling really good about a purchase where the organization itself takes environmental issues seriously and invites people like myself in to talk about some of those issues.
I am so excited to be here with Subaru talking about my dog and cat science books. It's so great to be able to come out and share that with an audience that I wouldn't normally get to be with at the Philadelphia Flower Show. And Subaru is so gracious and so interested in the well-being of our dogs and our cats and all of the many kinds of things that we can do with them to make their lives better.